In this quick tutorial, we're going to learn how to hide rows in Excel. It's simple. By doing this, you can keep certain information out of sight in your table without deleting it. Let's get started. First, highlight the row you'd like to hide. This can be done through a click on the bar of numbers, selecting the relevant row. If you wish to hide more rows at once, press the Shift key and click on each of the rows you want to hide. If the rows you want to hide are not consecutive, which means they do not lie next to each other, use the Control key instead of Shift. Once you have selected the rows, right-click, then choose the Hide option. Now, the rows are hidden from view and won't appear in printouts. But don't worry, they're not deleted, and you can make them visible again whenever you like. Second method. Select the rows again by dragging your cursor. Then go to the Home tab. Click on Format. Choose Hide and Unhide, and then select Hide Rows. Third method is hiding the rows using keyboard shortcut. This one is the quickest method. Select the rows, then simply press Control key and number 9. And just like that, the rows are hidden. That's it, 3 easy ways to hide rows in Excel. To learn how to unhide rows, check out our next video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.